I'm Avery Church, and I'm the Continuity Program Manager for Fairfax County. My mission is to lead the planning effort to ensure the resiliency of all county organizations in the face of a disaster or any type of operational disruption. To do this, we develop continuity plans. Continuity plans are the core capability of any organization to ensure that it's able to do its mission. Now, to do that, there are 10 continuity elements. Right now, let's focus quickly on one: essential functions. Essential functions, in very simple terms, are the tasks that an organization must perform no matter what the disaster or disruption may be. We're here to highlight the Fairfax County Police Department's continuity program. They're an agency that has the task of providing crime-fighting capability and also protection of all the residents in the county. So with that, I'd like to introduce Lieutenant Dalton Becker. He's the Assistant Commander for Special Operations Division within the county. So welcome.
Thank you, Avery.
So tell me about the continuity program within FCPD.
The Police Department's continuity program is much like other departments in the county in that it truly is the blueprint on how the department will function under any type of catastrophe or crisis. This blueprint is to be reviewed annually by myself in my current position. At the very least, it is very important for the department to be able to provide essential police functions 24 hours a day, every day of the year, whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., and despite what crisis or catastrophe is going on.
So tell me, what would you say a good planning culture looks like?
Really, everybody has to be on board across the whole organization. Although you will have specific stakeholders within the department that have larger scale duties to keep the plan afloat and accurate, but across the board, everybody needs to be involved, know what it is. Mm-hmm. They need to train accordingly, whether it be table type exercises or different scenarios that the department puts on to put officers through as real life a situation as you possibly can without it being a real life situation.
How has planning for those events changed within FCPD over the past, say, 10 years?
Planning I look at as it's kind of like homeowners insurance policy where hopefully you never need it.
Right.
But if something happens, which it will, it's good to have it and be prepared. Obviously in the last 10 years, either throughout this country or other countries, we've learned a lot from case studies different departments have faced, whether it be natural disasters or man-made events.
Do you have any tips or tricks for maybe businesses within Fairfax County or just someone new thinking about continuity of operations planning?
Yeah, tip is definitely to have one. Because if you don't have one, you're going to be playing makeup later on, and it's a lot easier to be prepared than not. That being said, you want to plan ahead of time for whatever, whether the catastrophe or natural disaster or man-made event is. Just kind of run through different scenarios with your employees.
Thank you, Dalton, for joining us. I think the biggest takeaway is that continuity operations plays a huge part in the success of any organization. If you're looking for tips and tricks, you can come to Fairfax County's website at fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency management.